Hello guys, so in this video I'll show you how to recover lost or deleted files from your storage device. As you can see, my storage device has been formatted. There's no information in it, there's no form of data in it. So using this tool known as disk drill, you can recover your lost or deleted files. So I'm going to open it. As you can see, this is my drive, 149 gigs Hitachi. So selecting it, I'm going to click search for lost data. We'll give you some time so that I can begin scanning. Now the process has begun. So if we browse through some of the scan results, let me go to local disk E and select the deleted or lost. You can see the same drive info here and some files that have been deleted. So I could recover this. I've selected this. I'm going to click recover. So I'm going to select my current computer storage. It's important for you to use a storage other than the storage you are recovering to recover your files. So I'll select this and it will carry on with the recovery process. I'm now going to click show recover data in Explorer. And as you can see, the file has been recovered. I can try to open it. I'm going to open with WinRAR. And as you can see, all the file contents are intact. Don't forget to follow and like for more tips.